Hey everybody, I'm here to walk you through what you will be completing and submitting this week. So just as a reminder, all the information you need to access either Miss Crandall's or my office hours are on this page right here. Now you have 3 assignments this week and a quiz. The first 2 assignments are quite short. The first is the Congressional Compromises on Slavery. And if we open it up, you'll see what you need to make a copy of is right here. And then all the information is just right here on this page. So you read through it, you answer the questions. It's pretty short and pretty straightforward. The next assignment is a Nearpod. That's self-explanatory. Just go through the Nearpod. It's not terribly long. And then take a quiz on what you learned from these 2 assignments. Now, the biggest project you'll do this week and what you'll be spending most of your time on in history class is the biggest impact on the westward expansion project. So let's take a quick look at that. There's instructions from me right here about how to complete the project and what you need to do and what the expectations are. There's a copy of a filled out template that you can use as well. You can just view it, but you can use it to help you in your own process. You're going to be making basically a PowerPoint presentation telling us which of these 3 areas you think had the biggest impact on the American West: manufacturing, transportation, or cultural political. You use this blank template here to to fill it out and turn it in. And finally, you're going to be submitting your filled out Unit 6, your filled out Unit 6 notes page. You should have been filling this out for various assignments throughout this unit. So go ahead and submit your completed notes page here. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to send myself or Ms. Crandall an email or swing by one of our office hours and we'd be happy to help.